If you're looking to automate affiliate email sequences with triggers, I've got you covered in this quick 3-minute tutorial. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up automated email sequences that get triggered based on specific actions from your subscribers, saving you time and boosting your affiliate income. We're going to use a simple software for this, and if you want to follow along, I've linked an exclusive free trial in the description below, just for viewers of this channel. Let's jump straight into it. First, you need to decide what actions will trigger the emails. These are usually things like when someone subscribes to your email list, clicks a link in your email, or makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Once you know that, you can easily set up triggers in our software, and I'll walk you through the exact steps. In the software, go to your automation section. This is where you'll set up the email sequence. Start by choosing the trigger event. Let's say someone subscribes to your list or clicks on an affiliate link. You'll set that as the trigger. The software will now know when to send the first email in the sequence automatically. After selecting the trigger, you can customize the sequence. Add the first email you want to send right after the trigger is activated. Then you can set delays between each follow-up email, whether it's a day or two or even a week. It's all about the right timing to keep your audience engaged without overwhelming them. Now let's talk about personalizing your emails. Personalization is key to making your affiliate email sequence successful. Use dynamic fields like the subscriber's first name or tailor content based on the products they clicked on. This makes your emails feel much more personal and relevant to each subscriber, increasing the chances of them taking action. Next, let's look at segmenting your audience. Segmentation helps you send the right content to the right people. For example, if someone clicked on an affiliate link for a specific product, you could follow up with more information on that product or related offers. Using segmentation in your automated email sequence ensures that your subscribers are getting emails that matter to them. One key feature to mention is the ability to test your sequences. After setting everything up, always send test emails to yourself. This way, you can check for any errors and make sure the sequence flows smoothly. Another powerful feature to use is A/B testing. If you're unsure about subject lines or call to action buttons, you can create 2 versions of the same email and see which one gets a better response. Our software makes it easy to run these tests. Now, a quick recap of the main points. Set up your triggers based on actions like signups or clicks. Customize your email sequence with delays. Personalize the content for each subscriber. Use segmentation to target specific groups, test your sequences, and run A/B tests to optimize your results. To wrap it up, remember that automating affiliate email sequences with triggers can save you time and increase your revenue by engaging your audience at the right moments. You don't need to be manually sending emails every time someone takes action. Once set up, everything will run automatically and smoothly. And as a key takeaway, always remember to test and optimize your sequences. It's the best way to ensure that your emails are hitting the mark and driving conversions. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial for the software we used today. It's linked in the description below, and you can follow along with the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.